Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the lock timeout on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the markets button. Tap on the menu icon down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, at the top of the screen, you can see your username, so tap on it. Then scroll down to the account and security section. And within this section, click on the second option, which is pattern lock. Click on the last option, lock timeout. And here you can select from 6 options such as immediately, after 1, 5, 15, 30 minutes or after 1 hour. Click on the relevant one and now it has been updated. Feel free to change it anytime by coming back to this section and clicking on the one you would like to set. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.